Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome. Today, last working day. It's Friday, September the 22nd, 2023. We have here two regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the Medium Sudoku, and we have a jigsaw Sudoku, aka tectonic. In Dutch, they call it Cijferblok. In Japanese, Sudoku. And in this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. 2 jigsaw Sudokus, 1 with 4 stars, 1 with 1 star, and the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only half of them, 4 of them I will solve in the evening. But first, these 2 regular puzzles. And what's the news of today? Well, the news of today is, I read this article. If I translate this, we will lose without the help of the U.S. Zelensky, the president of Ukraine, has told it. Say that, and he needs a lot of billions, more than $10 billion of weapons. He need money, yes, money to buy weapons. And the war, it's about weapons, money. The country who has a lot of money will win the war, yes, because if you have money, you can buy the weapons, and if you have the weapons, rockets, then you will win the war. So it's all about money in the world, yes, money. Anyway, let me start with the Medium Sudoku. Medium Sudoku number 7140. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus, in additional, it will be a 2 stars puzzle. I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Already 3 minutes passed. Alright, 4, 5 missing numbers in the third row. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and 8. We have a 2 and 8 in this big square. So no 2 and 8 in these 3 boxes. 2 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Then 3 missing numbers in the third row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, 7 is missing, 8 and a 9 is missing. 6, 7, 9, 6, 7, 9, 6, 7, 9, 6, 7, 9. And look, we have a 7 and a 9 in this column. So no 7 and a 9 in this box. 7 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in the third row for number 6. Alright, and now 8 and 7. Let me see, 9 and 5. How about 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and the 5. We have a 7 and a 5 in this column, so no 7 and 5 in these 2 boxes. 7 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and 5, 7 and 5. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing, 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. 4, okay. In this column, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number in this column is the number 4. Well, here can be 4 because we have 4 in this row, no 4 there. Here can be 4 because we have 4 in the last row, so no 4 there. So the only place left for the 4 in this column should be there. Then let me think. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 4 is should be there. Well, 2 in this column, 2 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. You see a 2 in this row, first row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 in these 3 boxes here. 2 in the last column, no 2 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square should be there. 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. You see a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. Alright. Okay, cannot continue with the 2 now. Need to wait. Yeah, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have 1 in this row, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. So the 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. 1 in one of those 2 boxes. In the last column, 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. You see how 1 in the first row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 and a 9, we have a 7 now in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, 9 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 1 box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. So 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 1, 8, 9. 1, 8, 9, 1, 8, 9, 1, 8, 9. And look, we have 8 and a 9 in this row. So no 8 and a 9 in this box. 8 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1. Alright. Then let me see, 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing, 7 is missing, 6 and 7, 6 and 7. We have 6 in the middle column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. Then 3, 3, 1, 1. Come on. How about? Need a 3 here. Well, 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 8 and a 9, 8 and a 9. 3, 8 and a 9 are missing in this row. 3, 8 and 9, 3, 8 and 9, 3, 8 and 9. And look, we have 8 and a 9 in this column. So no 8 and 9 in this box. 8 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 should be there. So the 8 can be here. We have an 8 here, so the 8 should be here. So 1 digit left in this row for number 3. Then 1, 2, 6, 1, 2, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are 1 is missing, 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 1, 2, 6, 1, 2, 6, 1, 2, 6. And look, we have 1 and 6 in this column. No 1 and 6 in this box. 1 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 2. 1 box left in this big square for number 8. 1 and a 6, okay. 1, 2, 3, 5, 9, 3, 5, 9. 3 missing numbers now in the middle column. Those missing numbers are 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8, and 9 is missing. 3, 5, 9. 3, 5, 9, 3, 5, 9, 3, 5, 9. And look, we have a 3 and a 9 in the middle row, so no 3 and a 9 in this box. 3 and 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. So 1 digit left in the middle column for number 5. 5. In this row, 5 in the middle row. So in the row below, though, need to place left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this column. Third column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square from us. 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 5 in the second column, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 9 goes there. 3 in the first column, 3 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in the middle row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 and a 9, we have a 3 now in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 9 goes there. 3 and a 9, we have a 3 now in the first row, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 9 goes there. 7 and a 5, we have a 5 now in the second row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the second row for numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have an 8 in this first column, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 9 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here or there. It's here and 8 in this row, no 8 there. Here and 8 in that row, so no 8 there. The only place left for the 8 should be there. 9 in the first column, 9 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. It's here 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Then. Let me see. 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in the first column, 4 in the third column. So the column between second column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing and the 7 is missing. 6 and 7, 6 and 7. We have a 7 in the first column, no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 6 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the second column. So in the third column, only place left for the 6 should be there. 1 box left in this row for number 1. 2 numbers left in this big square for number 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have 1 in the second column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 7 goes there. And the final, no, not final, 2 numbers here, 1 and a 6. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 6 goes there. Now the 2 final numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5 and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 6 goes there. Finish in 30 minutes. Well, this is really a 2 stars. I think it's a 1 star or a 0 stars puzzle because I'm faster than 40 minutes or 50 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one. So we do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second regular puzzle, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.